Discovery Health has recently launched the Psychotherapy Out of Hospital (PMB) application process on HealthID to assist healthcare professionals in reducing the admin burden and providing you with a quicker response to these applications. The platform can be accessed through HealthID, the Discovery Health healthcare professional platform. Allow me to take you through the process of submitting an application using this new feature. The first step is to log into Discovery Health ID. Once logged in, you will be presented with the Health ID landing page. Search and select the patient you want to apply for using the ID or membership number. Consent to access the electronic health record, or EHR, is required from the patient if this was previously not granted. Always ensure the patient has provided you with consent to access their information. Refer to the How to videos to learn more about obtaining consent. Thereafter, click on the PMB Psychotherapy tab on the bottom left of the page and click on New Application to start the application process. The next step is to click on Add Condition to select the condition. You can select this by typing in the first few letters of the condition or the ICD-10 code to search for it. Once found, you can click on it to select it. Multiple conditions can be added at the same time if required. Please note the diagnoses codes are restricted to the PMB diagnostic codes for major depression and bipolar mood disorder. Once that is completed, you need to select the date of diagnosis. On this page, you may also confirm your practice details to ensure that the correct billing practice number is selected and if the email address is correct. The email address can be amended here if required. Once all the details are correct, you may click on the Continue Application button. On step 2 of the process, you may add the start date of the first psychotherapy session for the current benefit year. Thereafter, add the relevant treatment tariff codes needed for approval. Multiple codes can be added here based on the treatment required. Internet-based cognitive behavioral therapy, ICBT, has been demonstrated to be a helpful adjunct to treatment for people with major depression. An ICBT course is included in the treatment basket for major depression for all members of participating schemes who are 18 years and older. Qualifying members will be alerted that they have access to an ICBT course. You are now done. Click on the Submit Application button once all information has been captured. Once submitted, you will get a response status with the relevant message if it has been approved, declined, or if the decision is pending review. After completing the application, you may go back to the overview page and the application should reflect on the history section. This concludes the demo, and we hope that this process is simple to follow. Should you require any further assistance, please look out for additional video tutorials and how-to guides in the Help section located in the top right. Thank you for watching.